Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Moon. I'm back again for another video. It is currently Tuesday, April 29th, 2025. It is day 29 of the Active April Challenge. Tomorrow is day 30 of the Active April Challenge and the last day of this challenge, boy. And man, oh man, was this a fun challenge. But I'm going to do a recap tomorrow and just talk more about that. But for today's video, I'm going to do a trade breakdown. I did not take a trade today, and I took a trade yesterday, but I'm going to explain why being patient and being disciplined, waiting for yourself is important, right? So first, let's just go into the setup yesterday. This is what is going on here. See, this is the setup that happened yesterday, right? So yesterday, originally I was looking to sell. Obviously, price pulled back to this order block, did not give an interesting signal to sell, but it did use it as a breaker block and push to the upside. So I guess I could have shifted my bets and pushed the upside. But silver, I was looking to, whatever this shit again. I don't know. Silver lately has been pissing me off, and I just haven't been paying attention to it, and that's okay. Euro USD, so I was looking to sell. Honestly, this trade was a good trade. Realistically, this is a good trade. It's just I could have avoided it if I had paid attention to GPUSD, right? So first of all, I drew this line here because as you can tell, price has this trend line, right? It's respecting this area right here so far. All right. If you're going GPUSD, right? It's pushing to the upside, giving me momentum to the upside, right? Pushing to the upside is bullish. Your USD is giving me signals that it wants to sell. So I know cross pair correlation that both pairs are positively correlated. So when one goes up, the other goes up. When one goes down, the other goes down. And this could be like a little bit of a SMT divergence. Not really, because they're both trending to the upside, so it's not really a SMT. But the way I looked at it, I'm like, okay, cool. That could be a potential difference that we see right there. That GPUSD is pushing to the upside, but Euro USD wants to sell, right? Or I thought, based on my analysis, that I'm looking to sell. That's what I was doing at the time. So I should have kept that in the back of my mind, but I didn't really pay attention to it. Price eventually pulled back to this order block that it found on the 5-minute. Just gave an absolutely beautiful push to the downside. I could have taken a trade right here, but I wanted like a clear close below here. Obviously, you can tell like the wick came here, but close up here. Let's say this happened, and then the next candlestick was blue, and then it would have stopped me out. But I wanted a clean break below here before I took the trade. Clean break right there. Took the trade. This is my first TP, but realistically, this is my overall TP right here. There's a lot of liquidity to be swept. So this is my TP right here. And then stop loss was above here. But then I realized it's probably better if I put it above the London high in case price wants to just sweep the liquidity right there and then continue to the downside. Obviously, price, I was in profit for a little bit again. I saw this one meme though that said you should put your entry at your stop loss and see what the market does. So let's see what happens if I do this. Yeah, I still would have lost this trade. This would have been a loser trade. But they said if you take a trade and it goes straight to your stop loss, next time put your entry at your stop loss and see what happens. So obviously, it would have, if I did like a sell limit, it would have tapped me into the trade, stopped me out, pushed to the downside, and then not even reach my TP and would have lost. It is what it is. It happens. But yeah, this was a good trade overall. I'm not really mad about it. It is what it is. It happens, right? What I liked about this trade though is that I followed my trading plan. I was disciplined, and I waited patiently for the price to give me what I need. Get out of here. Then coming to the market this morning, again, I'm looking to sell. That's what the higher time frame is telling me. Now the weekly is bullish. Look at it. The weekly is bullish. The daily is bearish, and the 4 hour, that's the tricky one. The 4 hour was bullish coming to the market this morning, but it was having this retracement right here. So what I say, okay, cool. I'm gonna wait for a little pullback, continue to downside to sell, but we're bullish. So it's weekly bullish, daily bearish. We had 4 hour bullish. 1 hour is bearish, 30 minutes bearish, 15 minutes bearish. Coming to the market this morning. So I was just looking to sell, obviously, waited for price to pull back to this 15-minute order block, this 5-minute order block. They eventually came back to it. What, 8:30? Yeah, I wasn't even looking at this. I didn't even care about this. Really. I was mainly focused on gold. Obviously, it did pull back to gold at like 8 something, right? Gave me that push that I needed. So I think it was around like 8:10 that it gave that push. Yeah, it was 8:15 right here. So I saw this push happening, and in my mind, I really wanted to take this trade. But let me show you something. Look at all this news happening today. Like this is a lot of news. Obviously, this is gonna happen later tonight. But USD, a lot of USD happened. So I just wasn't comfortable with this trade because one, if I was trying to sell, I probably would have lost this trade, and two, it probably would have went up with GBUSD because GBUSD and EURUSD are correlated, but EURUSD is also correlated with gold. So it's like I can't be looking to sell and then looking to buy on the other pair. That doesn't make sense. So yeah, obviously, good thing I didn't take this trade. I was patient. I waited, right? And this shenanigan happened. This is ridiculous. It's even bad on silver. Look at this. What is going? What is this? Euro USD was shenanigans as well. Same thing with gold. I don't know if y'all can see. And see how Euro USD and GBP USD are kind of similar. But yeah, the main lesson I got this from today was, bro, there's not gonna be a trade every single day. And I know this. I don't know why I haven't been more patient with taking trades. I have been more disciplined, more selective with the trades that I take. And I think that's something I need to work on, right? I have one trade left before I blow this 100 account. So I'm being very picky with which trade I take, why I take it. Does everything line up? Does it make sense for me to take this trade? So yeah, that comes with patience. Being able to have discernment, right, in the markets from experience to understand, okay, this trade is probably not it. I probably should not take it. Or, oh yeah, this trade has everything I need. Oh, it makes sense. Oh, it's fun with the trade. Oh, it give me an interest in it. Okay, cool. Take the trade, put the stop loss at a good level. Put a take profit at a good level. After that, it's out of my control. I can't control that. I did my part, which is take the trade. Afterwards, let the trade do its thing. So, tomorrow, day 30 of the Active April Challenge, I'm going to do a recap. I'm going to be talking about things events that I want to do coming up. I want to do a live stream, probably Saturday or Sunday. I don't know when. But just talk to you about the markets. If you have any questions, we can talk about it. And then probably the month of May, I'm not going to be posting a lot because I'm actually going to double down and lock in on the charts and schoolwork and actually do what I need to do. Right? So, yeah, gotta get back to that. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comments. And focus the discipline. Remember the magic you're looking for.